Hi everyone, my name is Scott Kelly. Nice to meet everyone virtually. The reason for taking this course briefly is, I needed an elective. I wasn't able to find a internship originally like I was supposed to, so I kind of got pushed back. So to graduate on time, um, I went ahead and took an elective this term, and this is one of the few that was offered, but I was planning on taking it towards the end of the program anyway, so it all actually worked out. Um, the areas of human sexuality just interest me is just basically everything, because my age, I'll be honest, I'm 54. Sexuality wasn't when I was young. There was like no expression or anything, and I think it's amazing how everything has changed, especially in my lifetime, to where it was viewed as, you can go back to the early 70s when homosexuality was a mental disorder, to where now I just went to the Pride Parade with the clients I work with in an adolescent group home. So, but I'm very supportive. I just like the way society's somewhat changed. I would like to maybe understand more why sexuality is so viewed as taboo. I got a good idea, but I'm just kind of curious maybe to expand my knowledge on that side of it. The other thing is, because I work with adolescent male sex offenders, and we've had a few of them that have come into the program straight, gone to non-binary, one's gone to trans, and then they've shifted back to straight again. And I'm just trying to wrap my head around that. I don't know if it's their age, and they're just exploring their sexuality. Another thing I thought is maybe since they're sex offenders, it's a way of maybe trying to empathize with the survivors, or make them feel like they're less responsible. I'm not quite sure how to explain that. So I'm hoping maybe this will give me a better lens to actually why maybe they might go back and forth. And then for safety of this class is just general. Mutual respect. We're all adults. I think we're all here for a reason. And just treat everybody with kindness and respect. And I hope everybody has a great term. Bye-bye.